Mars has always fascinated us. From ancient civilizations who saw it as a god of war to modern astronomers who study its mysteries, Mars has captured our imagination for centuries. It's right there, our celestial neighbor, a rusty red dot in the night sky. This enigmatic planet with its iron, oxide-rich surface has been a subject of countless studies and speculations. For decades, we've dreamt of sending humans to Mars, of planting our flag on its dusty surface. The idea of human exploration on Mars has driven technological advancements and inspired generations of scientists and engineers. But why stop at visiting? Imagine the possibilities if we could establish a permanent human presence on Mars. The challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. What if we could truly make Mars our own, transforming it into a second home? This vision goes beyond mere exploration. It encompasses the idea of creating a sustainable environment where humans can live and thrive. That's where terraforming comes in, the ambitious idea of turning Mars into a planet more like Earth. This process would involve altering the Martian atmosphere, temperature, and ecology to make it habitable for humans. Scientists are exploring various methods, from releasing greenhouse gases to create a warmer climate, to introducing hardy plant species that could produce oxygen. The concept of terraforming is not just science fiction, it's a field of active research. While it may take decades or even centuries to achieve, the dream of a green, vibrant Mars continues to inspire us. Imagine a future where humanity is a multi-planetary species, with thriving colonies on Mars, contributing to our survival and growth. Mars mania is more than just a fascination with a distant planet. It's a testament to our enduring spirit of exploration and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. As we look up at the night sky, that rusty red dot reminds us of the endless possibilities that await us in the cosmos. Terraforming Mars is no walk in the park. Mars is a harsh mistress. It's cold, with an average temperature of about -81 degrees Fahrenheit. The atmosphere is thin, mostly carbon dioxide, offering little protection from the sun's radiation. And forget about breathing, you'd need a spacesuit just to survive a Martian stroll. So how do we warm up Mars and thicken its atmosphere? This question has puzzled scientists for decades. Mars, with its thin atmosphere and cold temperatures, presents a significant challenge for those dreaming of making it a second home for humanity. The red planet's surface is barren and inhospitable, but researchers are not giving up. Researchers at Northwestern University have a radical idea: Martian dust. This concept might sound surprising, but it's rooted in solid scientific principles. The dust that covers Mars is not just a nuisance. It could be a game changer in the quest to terraform the planet. Yes, the very dust that covers the red planet might hold the key to its transformation. This dust, composed of fine particles, has unique properties that could be harnessed to alter the Martian environment. By understanding its composition and behavior, scientists believe they can use it to their advantage. They propose using specially engineered dust particles to create a greenhouse effect, a process that could significantly change the Martian climate. These particles would be designed to float in the atmosphere and trap heat from the sun, much like greenhouse gases do on Earth, trapping heat from the sun and warming the planet. This warming effect could gradually increase the temperature on Mars, making it more hospitable for future human settlers. The idea is still in its early stages, but it represents a bold step forward in our efforts to make Mars a livable world. This dust solution has some appealing advantages. First, Mars is already covered in dust. We wouldn't need to ship it from Earth. Second, by tweaking the size and composition of these dust particles, we could fine-tune the amount of heat trapped, like adjusting a planetary thermostat. There are significant hurdles to overcome. One big question is how to keep the dust in the Martian atmosphere. Mars is constantly losing its atmosphere to space. We'd need to find ways to replenish the dust layer or prevent it from dissipating. Then there's the question of unintended consequences. Introducing a new atmospheric component could have unforeseen effects on Mars's climate and geology. We wouldn't want to solve one problem only to create a dozen more. More research is needed to determine if the dust solution is truly viable. Scientists need to study how Martian dust interacts with sunlight, how long it would remain in the atmosphere, and what impact it would have on the planet's environment. Dreams of a red planet turned green. This is not just a fantasy, but a vision that has captivated the minds of scientists, engineers, and dreamers alike for decades. Terraforming Mars is a monumental challenge, one that involves altering the planet's atmosphere, temperature, and ecology to make it habitable for human life. This process is fraught with complexities and uncertainties. The thin atmosphere, the lack of liquid water, and the harsh radiation are just a few of the obstacles we face. But the dream persists, fueled by our curiosity, our ambition, and perhaps a touch of Martian dust. Scientists are tirelessly working on innovative solutions, from creating artificial magnetic fields, to protect against radiation, to developing plants that can thrive in Martian soil. Who knows, maybe one day the barren landscapes of Mars will be transformed into lush green environments. Thanks to a little ingenuity, advanced technology, and the relentless spirit of exploration and a whole lot of dust, we might just see the red planet bloom green. Imagine walking through a Martian garden, breathing in the fresh air, and knowing that humanity has achieved the impossible. The red planet will bloom green. This is not just a dream, but a testament to human ingenuity and the unyielding desire to explore and thrive in new frontiers. Don't forget to like and subscribe.